Good morning. Ooh, it is Monday morning and we are off for a new week. How exciting. It is exciting. I feel like this time of year is a lot of fun and I'm excited to be in it. I also feel like there's so much to get done and that can be a little overwhelming at times, but I am trying to just take it one thing at a time. Just one thing at a time. It's all you can do. So that's where I am. It's actually a little bit earlier than normal. I'm on my way to work. It's, I want to say it's like 8:10. I don't have to be into work until 9, but I had some errands. I had an errand to run before work, and so I wanted to give myself some extra time, and I just really like the feeling of having some extra time in the morning. So I'm hoping to keep this up and make this my new routine for leaving. So the errand that I had to run was to take out cash from an ATM, but I specifically wanted to go to an ATM that's a little bit out of my route because they have $100 bills. And this was a significant amount of cash and I wanted to get it in hundreds, although I was like so scatterbrained I wasn't even thinking to I just kind of went through the motions when I was withdrawing and I only got a couple hundreds and I didn't type in the full amount in hundreds anyway. So I just did that and I am excited to have that money because that was the money for the trees and to pay for the tree service, which was completed on Friday. So that's 5 days from start to finish. And it's just really exciting to have it done that quickly. And I've discovered this about myself, is that I am someone that when I move quick. And that's something I've noticed about the world in general, is that when things happen, at least that I've seen, I can be like a huge long period of waiting and then all of a sudden things happen super quick, and I feel like that's the case with these trees, at least right now. That's what I'm seeing. So that is kind of my morning and a wrap up on the tree situation, and something so cool happened in regard to that and in regard to the funds to pay for it. I will share that at a later date because I'm just like that. It's still like when I think about it, I get blown away. So that's really exciting. But look out for that, an update on the tree situation. So that's the trees. Sorry, the lip gloss. I'm excited to be vlogging, I think, because I love watching vlogs, and the reason I watch them is because I like the routine and the familiarity of vlogs. So this is the greatest lip balm ever if you're in the market. It's Sunbum, and the color that I use is called Sandbar. And if you don't know Sunbum, they make sunscreen. They're like a surfer vibe kind of company. And I was in the market for a tinted lip balm, and this came up on Amazon, and I gave them a whirl. I think it's like $5. I'll leave a link below. I really like it. So highly recommend. It's just one of those grab on and go. You don't even need to look in the mirror. You just put it on. And there you go. Because my lips get super chapped in the winter, and it's sometimes even putting on lip balm doesn't really help. It actually can hinder because if you put on too much lip balm, eventually your lips will stop producing their own moisture, which is not something you want to have happen. So it's not the greatest, but feels good and I like the way it looks. So that's what I just put on. What else? What am I drinking this morning? Because I don't have a travel mug, I got rid of all my broken down old travel mugs. I have one left, and it's like a promotional item from a retreat center, and it's at the office, and I'm using it there. But this morning so this is just a mason jar, and I had to finish it quick because I couldn't have it sitting in my car because it doesn't fit in the cup holders. I drank high calf tea because I was looking for an alternative to drink in the morning that was caffeinated but not coffee, because I find, and this is sacrilege, but I find that I'm losing my taste for coffee. But I still I get a headache if I don't have the caffeine. So I was looking for an alternative, and I found this high caf tea that has 120 milligrams of caffeine. A cup of coffee has between 60 and 80 grams, or milligrams. So I bought some off Amazon, and I like it, but it's not enough. Like, I'll still start to get that like headache around mid-afternoon, so I still need to have something else, drink something else with it. So that's that. What else is happening? So rundown for the week, very exciting. So Monday I can come right home. Tuesday I have my lesson with my viola kid student. It's just amazing. I can't believe he's a senior in high school. He's getting ready for a concert on the 22nd, so this upcoming weekend. And so we've been doing the longer lessons, and he's getting so much better, and it's so rewarding to see someone improve that much. Because I've had him for 4 years, more than that, because I had him before he went into high school, so a long time. He's so good. So that's exciting. I do that on Tuesday, and I teach him for an hour. Wednesday, I'm having dinner with some friends. We're going to like an all-you-can-eat meat barbecue place, so that will be fun. Thursday, I don't think I have anything right now. And then Friday is the first concert of the season for the symphony orchestra that I volunteer with, that I sit on the board for. So that's exciting. And then I think and then Saturday I have a Friendsgiving with some friends from church, and that will be exciting too. So how many things is that? It's a lot of things. Just one thing at a time. So some stuff coming up, which I'm excited for. What's going on? Work is we're getting ready for the Thanksgiving holiday and want to make sure that things are set up. Usually this is a little bit of a slower, quieter season. It starts with as the year goes by, it tapers down. So we're really high volume, high frequency in January, and then we kind of ease out toward the end of the year. But we also have some new proposals in the works that we're working on. I work in marketing. So we may be getting some new clients, of course, that we get new clients. So we'll see how that goes. And that's what's going on. Excited to be into work a little bit earlier. I'm hoping that it's a little bit calmer and a little more, I can get some more done, which would be good. I'm also hoping to watch some more education videos for myself. And sort of looking at analytics and stuff that I think will make me a better employee, so I don't feel bad at all for doing that during firm time, because I feel like anything that helps hone your analytic abilities is something that if I were a boss, I would encourage. So that's what I'm planning to do in the breaks of my workday. Hello again. It's about 10:30 at night and I'm winding down for the evening. I have my Thanksgiving mug and I am drinking hot water with vinegar, apple cider vinegar, organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, the ShopRite brand, because my allergies have been driving me crazy. And I realized as I was listening to myself driving to work, you can hear it. It's really been bad lately. It's raining outside and I have allergies to mold and dust. So when it rains, I get the mold, and when it's dry, I get the dust. So I'm just being hit on all fronts, but luckily this is helping a lot. And I took some antihistamine, so that's also helping. So this is a plus. Update on the workday situation. I actually tried to focus more on work than on learning new skills, so I didn't get to watch as much as I had wanted during the workday, but I did watch some of the videos on SEO and optimization that I had been planning to watch. So this evening after I got home. So that worked out really well. I have some extra time today because I don't really have a lot going on at the moment. It's going to be a busy week coming up, but I had some time, so I did that, and it's just good to be exposed to new concepts and to kind of be on the lookout for them, but I still don't know how to apply these concepts to the work that I'm doing, so that'll kind of take some time, I'm sure, but my goal is to keep leveling up my skill set, so that's that. I did some decluttering tonight. You'll see behind me on this bookcase. I did the first 2 shelves, not so much on the bottom 2, kind of fell off there. Didn't get so far. My goal is to make that less of an eyesore to look at, I guess, in the background of the videos as well. So I want you guys to have something nice to watch when you watch. And I'm still also in the process, it's an ongoing struggle of decluttering. That's the table that I'm working with. I feel like it's ongoing. Things are always coming in and you're getting new information and you have to figure out how to process it, and it can be overwhelming to try to keep everything straight, and then this is when clutter happens. And I fully believe that like the clutter around you is a reflection of what's going on the inside, so I'm just trying to keep an organized interior life that will manifest in my outside reality. That's the goal, anyway. So that's where it is for this Monday evening. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope you'll keep watching. Bye.